These snipe nose pliers that I use for stone setting have been slightly modified. I've used a grinding wheel to grind down a groove down the centre of one of the claws, which enables me that when I'm setting a stone is that I can pull the claw down nice and tightly onto the stone without fear of the pliers coming off, cracking or splitting or scratching the stone. The claw locates nice and securely in that groove, and I can ease it nice and tight on the stone, safely in the knowledge that they're not going to slip.